Have you ever looked at your phone and felt nervous to speak English?
Maybe someone calls you and you think, oh no, what do I say?
Or maybe you want to make an appointment, but you are afraid you will make a mistake.
So you wait, and finally, you don't call at all.
If this sounds like you, don't worry, you are not alone.
Many English learners feel shy when speaking on the phone.
Because on the phone, you cannot see the other person's face.
And sometimes, people speak fast.
But here is the good news.
Phone English is actually simple.
Yes, you only need a few clear sentences.
Today, we will practice together.
Slow English.
Clear English.
Real English you can use today. Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our channel, Everyday Spoken English.
This is the place where you learn real English for real life.
Simple English.
Clear English.
English you can use every day.
In this channel, we help you speak English with confidence.
No stress.
No difficult grammar.
Just practical English you can use immediately.
If you want to speak English better every day,
make sure you subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to like this video.
It helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English.
All right.
Let's start today's lesson.
Today, we will learn something very useful.
English on the phone.
We will practice 3 common situations.
First, making a phone call.
Second, sending voice messages.
And third, making appointments.
These situations happen every day.
You may call a doctor.
Or call a restaurant.
Or leave a voice message for a friend.
The good news is that phone English uses very simple patterns.
Many conversations start with the same sentences.
For example, hello, this is Emily.
Or, hi, I'm calling about.
Once you learn these patterns, phone calls become easy.
So today we will practice slowly.
And clearly.
Let's start with something simple. Someone calls you. What do you say?
Here are 3 easy ways. Sentence 1. Hello?
Sentence 2. Hello. This is Paul.
Sentence 3. Hello, Paul speaking.
Very simple.
Let's do a short dialogue.
Hello. This is Paul.
Hi, Paul. This is Emily.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Did you notice something?
Both people say their name.
This helps the conversation start clearly.
Now imagine you are calling someone.
Maybe you call a friend.
Or a business.
Here are useful sentences.
I'm calling about, example, I'm calling about the meeting.
I'd like to speak to, example, I'd like to speak to Sarah.
Is Sarah available? Let's listen to a mini role play. Hello, is Sarah available?
Yes, one moment, please.
Thank you. Another example.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling about my appointment.
Simple and clear.
No complicated words.
Sometimes the person does not answer.
Then you leave a voice message.
Many people feel nervous here.
But don't worry.
Voice messages follow a very simple structure.
4 steps. Say hello. Say your name. Say why you called. Say goodbye. Example voice message. Hi, this is Emily. I'm calling about tomorrow's meeting. Please call me back when you can. Thank you.
Another example. Hello, this is Paul. I just wanted to check our appointment. Please call me back. Thanks. Short.
Clear.
Naturel.
Now, let's practice something very important.
Making an appointment.
For example, doctor,
Hair salon.
dentist. Here are useful sentences. I'd like to make an appointment.
Do you have availability tomorrow?
What time is available? Let's listen to a role play.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment.
Sure. What day works for you?
Do you have time tomorrow?
Yes. We have 10 a.m. or 2 p.m.
2 p.m. is perfect.
Very natural conversation.
Very common in English. Now it's your turn.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after me. Ready? Hello, this is Emily.
Good. Now say, I'm calling about my appointment.
Great. Now try this sentence. I'd like to speak to Sarah.
Excellent. Now a question for you. Imagine you call a doctor. What do you say? You can say, I'd like to make an appointment.
Try saying it now. Pause the video if you want. Practice slowly. Practice clearly.
Many learners think, my English is not perfect.
So they avoid speaking.
But here is the truth.
You do not need perfect English.
You only need clear English.
Think about a baby learning to walk.
The baby falls,
Many times.
but the baby continues.
And one day, the baby walks.
English is the same.
Small steps every day.
One phone call,
One voice message.
one small conversation.
And slowly, your confidence grows.
Let's review what we learned today.
First, when answering the phone, hello, this is Emily.
Second, when calling someone, I'm calling about.
Third, when leaving a voice message, say hello, say your name, say why you called.
And fourth, making appointments. I'd like to make an appointment,
These sentences are simple.
but very powerful.
Now we want to hear from you.
Write a comment below.
Imagine you are calling a doctor.
Write your sentence. Example, I'd like to make an appointment.
Practice today.
Not tomorrow.
Your English improves when you use it.
Also, if you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to our channel Everyday Spoken English.
We post new lessons to help you speak English naturally.
Slow English.
Clear English.
English you can use every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
And we will see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Keep practicing and keep speaking English.